Hey, Michael Thibault here, Done For You Marketing Systems, and from all of us at the Done For You Marketing Office, happy Memorial Day. And if you can take a break this weekend, take a break. Spend some time with your family, your friends. I mean, that's why we got into business in the first place, isn't it? To be able to do the things we want, when we want. So take a break, recharge. It's good for your mojo. And when you're ready to come back and hit it hard on Tuesday after the Memorial Day weekend, get your marketing going for June and use Slipstream Marketing. And what that means is you want to use whatever's in the mind of your customer that they're thinking about right now at that moment to supercharge your marketing. That's what Slipstreaming's all about. So, in June, Father's Day. Everybody's thinking about Father's Day. That's the big day in June, and obviously the start of summer. So if you can combine those in your promotions, they will help you supercharge your sales and get the most from your marketing. Now, I love using Slipstream Marketing because it's so effective and it's fun. So I'm going to give you 3 promotions you can do yourself to help increase your sales in the month of June using Slipstream Marketing. But you better get on it because June's going to be here before you know it. So my first tip is make sure you celebrate whatever day you pick or holiday or theme all month long. Why get one day out of it? Father's Day only happens on one day, right? Turn it into Father's Month. Celebrate the whole month long. That's going to give you so much more punch for your marketing dollar. If you're doing all that work, why not make it last all month long? So call June Father's Month and develop a promotion around that. So I'll give you 3 ideas you can use in your own business. This works really well for restaurants and auto repair shops. I love these promos. First one is do a barbecue grill gas giveaway, right? So, or charcoal or whatever type of grill you can get. Now, you might be going, I don't have any money to really invest in a grill. A great thing to do is joint venture with a local barbecue shop or a hardware shop that sells barbecue, and then collect a bunch of entries and share the list so you can follow up and market with them. And make sure you display the barbecue grill when they first come into your restaurant or your auto repair shop, and a big sign that says, win this, and make sure you're collecting names and emails, right? Because that's what you want so you can follow up and market to them afterwards. It's a fun promo to do, and it's a great way to build a list. Now, the second promo that you can do for June revolves around dads in summer and the current situation we're having with gas prices, right? Because everybody knows that dads are putting gas in the car for, everyone, and they're complaining how expensive gas is. So do a promo around the price of gas. You could do a couple things. You could have whoever brings in their receipt that pays the most for their gas for the fill-up wins a $100 gift card to your restaurant or your auto repair shop, or they get a free oil change, or maybe they bring in their gas receipt and you give them a percentage off or half off their tank fill-up towards their next bill for Father's Month, right? So there's all different kinds of things you can do. You can do gas can giveaways. So, I mean, everybody's thinking about how expensive gas is right now. So using that Slipstream Marketing is really going to grab the attention of your customers. Now, the third promo that you can do, I love this one. It's my favorite promo for Father's Day and for June, is a duct tape giveaway. So every dad that comes into your restaurant or your auto repair shop gets a roll of duct tape. And then you can have fun with it. I've seen restaurants that have tie making contests with different colored duct tapes, and they hang them from the ceiling, or coming up with creative creatures that people can make for duct tape, or have a contest. What's the most creative thing you can do with duct tape? Or what have you used duct tape for? Give them a roll of duct tape. That drives them in, but you got to promote it. You got to let people know what you're doing, and you can do that through social media, making posts on your Facebook page. You can do it through email, letting your list know. You can do it with 4 walls marketing inside your business, and hang up signs and let people know. Again, if you're giving something away, display it out front of your business. And also you can do print and mail them a postcard. Postcards are really inexpensive, and there's not a lot of competition in the mailbox right now. So those are 3 promos that you can use that use Slipstream Marketing to increase sales at your business for the month of June. Now, if you need any help developing a promotion or getting the word out, be it your website, email, social media, or print, and you need to get it done like now because we're getting close to June, simply click the button below. You can schedule a meeting with one of my DFY marketing experts and they can give you a bunch of ideas and they can do the whole darn thing for you, because that's the name of our company, Done For You Marketing. We're here to help you get your marketing done and out and make money and turn June into the best month of the year for your business. Thanks so much. I will see you next Wednesday, and please take some time away, have some fun with your family and friends, and have a happy, safe Memorial Day. Goodbye, everybody.